Why, hello, friends.
Hello.
And happy spooky season, the best spooky season yet, I think.
I think so, too.
So we are here at HHN Hollywood. We were here for preview night a couple weeks ago-ish, something like that, and now we're back again. We're so excited to check out all of the mazes, houses that we didn't get the chance to see the last time for preview night. So we got to see a lot at the team member preview, but not everything necessarily. What are you the most excited to see tonight, Mom?
To see what we haven't seen.
I want to see the Weeknd. I want to check out the scare zones again. Maybe check out Chucky's little bar because I am dressed Chucky themed. Speaking of which, let's do an outfit check really quick, starting with you, Mom. So I think you're dressed the best, Mom, for the night.
Well, it is monsters from the past.
Oh yeah, let's take a look at this. This is a very HHN dress. I love it. Don't you have a purse that goes with it?
Funny you should say.
Yes. Wonderful. I love it. All you need is the shoes to match it. I mean, they match, but I mean something horror themed, but it's
Right.
all good. So I decided to wear a Chucky dress, as you guys can see. Take a look. I also have this Hello Kitty Chucky. Hello Kitty is near and dear to my heart, so is
So
Chucky.
cute.
Oh, it says Hello Kitty Chucky on the back. Ah, that's cute. All right, spooky friends, we're off to early entry. That's right, we're gonna check out Insidious, Ghostbusters, and hopefully get to the Weeknd on the lower lot. That being said, even on a Sunday, it's a pretty crowded day, as it always is for HHN Hollywood, so we had better get going. Follow us along, why don't you, to Halloween Horror Nights Hollywood 2024.
Now he's headed straight for us. Evil commanding an army of ghosts. Garaka. Now he's headed straight for us. Harriet's tale of an unimaginable evil commanding an army of ghosts. Garaka. Now he's headed.
This isn't how I wanted to spend my golden years.
Ew, disgusting blob. No.
It's happened to me, and now he's done it to you.
He's got your baby. He's got your baby. He's got your baby.
On the lower lot now. We just went through Ghostbusters and Insidious on the upper lot. First of all, Insidious I think is one of the scariest mazes HHN has ever had. Those people, Insidious, they'll make you drop there for sure. A lot of dark hallways, that's all I would say, but those dark hallways are definitely scary. And the baddies in there are even scarier than that. What do you think about it, Mom?
Oh, definitely scary.
Yeah.
I'm a little hard to scare, so.
Of course. I mean, obviously, I'm kind of hard to scare too because I'm a scare actor, but in Insidious, well, I don't want to give away what happens at the end, but you definitely might fall to the ground. Who knows?
Yeah.
Now, Ghostbusters, how do you think the one in Hollywood compared to Orlando, Mom?
Well, they're both great with the actors.
Yeah.
But I will say the sets in Orlando are very tall and massive, and that really gets you.
Very impressive for sure.
Yeah.
The scare actors were great in Orlando and Hollywood for sure. Maybe a couple over in Hollywood that they didn't have in Orlando. I would say it's around a tie.
Okay.
For both for Orlando and HHN Hollywood.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, we are about to go on the Weeknd. We're on the lower lot and maybe Bloodlines too. So we're excited about that because we didn't get to see Bloodlines in Orlando, so this will be quite the surprise. Follow us along.
We'll be there to hold your hand and guide you through this painless transition.
Okay, we just walked through the Weeknd. What did you think about Maze, Mom?
Well, this is a surprise. I really liked it.
Oh, wonderful.
I love the artistic view of it, the different things. You never know what to expect.
Yeah.
Love the music. Love the whole thing.
Oh, wonderful. Would that be your favorite Maze house of the evening so far?
You know, I still love Ghostbusters.
I only went through the Weeknd Maze once in 2022 because I was working the event that year, but I remember it being really, really good. It's hard for me to compare the two. Which do you think was better, Mom? 2022 or 2024
Do you
this
know,
year?
I think they're pretty equal. I loved the party last year, the bar.
Yeah, they had the Weeknd bar in 2022, I think.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
And this just kept putting out surprises.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
And it was only a 25-minute wait, so we're here on a Sunday. It's like been pretty chill so far. We're gonna check out, I think, Bloodlines next. I'm here for it. I think it's gonna kick ass, don't you think?
I do too. I'm there.
Yes, and it'll definitely have music by Slash. We can't wait to check it out.
My name is Saskia, last descendant of Abraham Van Helsing, slayer of Dracula, destroyer of monsters. Valor runs strong in my family's bloodline, just as evil courses through the house of Dracula.
My pursuit of Dracula's brides has brought me to this place.
Okay, we just sat for a minute to enjoy a treat, which we'll talk about in just one moment. But first of all, what did you think of Bloodlines, Mom?
Well, I have to tell you, kudos to John Murdy for makeup, design, and hair, costuming, everything. Very good. Scare actors were excellent. I liked it.
It was really good. I mean, it's a Sunday and the scare actors were killing it. It's the end of a long weekend for them. But they're still out there doing a fabulous job, so kudos to that. I enjoyed Bloodlines. That was really, really good. I love that it was a female maze, and I love also the history that's at that stage.
Yeah.
So I look forward to seeing that maze again going through.
I agree.
We've been through 4 mazes though. It was time to sit down for a treat. So let me show you guys what we have here. Okay, so this is obviously it's the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, and he looks a bit toasty, and it's on a s'more graham cracker with chocolate. Oh my gosh. So I hear this has been insanely popular, and we can say that it was a pretty long line to get this. They didn't run out or anything like that, but it's definitely popular. So if you see that it's a short line, definitely grab yours while you can. Plus, if you're a Ghostbusters geek like us, then you'll definitely like this, I would say.
Exactly.
Okay, Mom. Oh, I don't even want to cut him because he's so cute, but why don't you do the honors?
Well, you know, they're not that cute in the movie. They are kind of evil.
But no, they actually are still cute in the movie. Oh no. You have slayed Mr. Stay Puft. Oh, Joni. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man Slayer.
Killer.
Oh.
Heads or tails, Lindsay?
Tails, I guess.
There you go.
All right, well,
shall I?
Go for it.
It's a little difficult. Let's see. I love it.
You do? Now, is it warm or is it just... No, it's not. So it's not toasty warm, but it's tasty at least?
Yeah, I love it. The marshmallow, the chocolate, graham cracker, love it.
Oh, good. What would you rate it?
10 out of 10. I would have it again. Yeah.
I guess for looks and taste?
Right. So cute. Good. Okay, take the tails.
Tails. Well, looks good. Marshmallow, chocolatey, graham cracker. Goodness. Here we go. Surprisingly good. The marshmallow isn't warm or toasted, but it's nice and gooey. I was kind of worried it would be too solid or taste kind of stale, but I mean, yeah, this is really good. I'm gonna give it like maybe a 9 out of a 10 though. Because it would be nice if it were like a little bit toasted, you know, just like maybe slightly, but like, it's definitely good. It's way better than I thought it would be. The marshmallow is nice and gooey, the chocolate is good, and the graham cracker, and it's a nice little spooky treat. And if you're a Ghostbusters fan, you'll definitely like this. So check it out, get in line really early if you can though. So as you can see, we're on the upper lot over at Tram. I hear our very good friend Megan is over at Tram.
I love Megan.
I do. I mean, we hopefully she's still our friend. If not, we might be in trouble.
Correct.
Either way, let's check this out. I'm actually excited to see Tram this year.
I am too. I've heard positive stuff on it.
Yes, I'm sure it's to die for. Just kidding.
This is Megan. Take your fingers and put them here. You're gonna pair with her.
Hi, Megan. Do you want to hang out?
Cute little creepy dude in the mask.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Just remember all the good the purge does.
There's nothing to be afraid of.
How could you do this? How could you kill someone?
asking myself the same question. Nailed it. I have a new primary user. Me. I didn't want you to see this. Work anymore. I have a new primary user. Me. Turn off. Do you know what happens to bad boys? They grow up to be bad men. Are you listening to me?
All right, we had a fun time at Tram. One of the best they've had, I would say.
I loved it. I loved the Blumhouse.
I love the Blumhouse theme. It always gets a little chaotic over at Tram, but the scare actors were killing it. Man, I gotta hand it to you, especially Megan, my girl. So we had a lot of fun. Now we're over at Scare Zone 1. And I think we're gonna check out the opening Scaremony, which happens several times a night, just so everybody knows.
So smart.
Yep, we're gonna catch one of those shows.
Welcome, mortals, to our realm of darkness. Be aware, for pure evil hath awakened from its slumber. Feast your eyes on our illustrious prince and princess, eager to devour your souls, and their court of phantoms, excited to dine on their leftovers. Mark my words. You cannot escape our grasp. We can feel your fear. Prepare thyselves to confront thine inevitable fate. Because tonight, we feast on fear.
I think you made a friend. Oh no! I think she's got you. You better watch it the rest of the night. She's gonna get you. I don't know if I can help you. We better run. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay. Maybe later. Maybe later. We'll be back. Okay, so we're at a Chucky bar on the upper lot. We saw the opening Scaremony, which was great. And now we decided to hang out with Chucky for a bit because, I mean, look at my purse. It's Chucky themed. So I had to
Look at your dress.
My dress as well. So I told my mom I had to get a Chucky drink. And this is the Friend Till the End. And it's really pretty. It has, I think, blue curacao and tequila, Sprite, and it has this beautiful little lollipop on top. The presentation is beautiful and it matches my purse. You can't get any better than that. I have a feeling I'm gonna like this drink too. I would definitely recommend checking out this bar area too. It looks pretty empty. The line wasn't too long. It's chill and the environment's really cool. There's a animatronic of Chucky. And there's lots of things to see here, really neat. There's also a Weeknd bar downstairs. We didn't make it over to there earlier, but maybe next time we'll check it out. But that's another place to go to if you want to, but we were all about the Chucky bar, so I'm gonna try this drink. Ooh, nice, a little sweet and sour with the tequila kick for sure.
I think Hello Kitty Chucky agrees.
I think I like it. What am I gonna give it? I'm gonna try one more sip just to be sure. I like the tequila. I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. Pretty solid. It's like a little sour, but the presentation is beautiful and it's colorful and delicious. It has a unicorn pop, so you should definitely get it. everybody, that's going to wrap it up for the night. Now, we went through A Quiet Place, as you guys saw. What did you think of that one, Mom?
You know, I love the movie, so whatever they do with it, I'm happy.
But how do you think it compares to the one we saw in Orlando?
Orlando.
Orlando, the sets always look really beautiful.
Beautiful because of the stage.
Of course,
you
the
know?
energy from the performers in Hollywood, really good. Really good in Orlando too, don't get me wrong.
Right.
But maybe it was just the walkthrough we went through, but everything was
be.
really good. And for a Sunday too, I mean,
Yeah.
that was pretty amazing.
Yeah.
So definitely check out The Quiet Place. It's not quiet as you may think necessarily, especially if you may hear like someone stepping on a twig or a noise somewhere, then that might alert the monsters and then they might hunt you. So maybe keep that in mind. Sorry, we're yawning right now because it's the end of the night. We're getting a little bit tired and I work tomorrow super early.
Oops.
Hence the reason why we're leaving right now. Just any closing thoughts, Mom?
No, I think it was a good night. It was, I would say, less busy than a lot of nights.
Oh, definitely. Now keep in mind, be patient with the maze hosts and the performers and just the night.
Yeah.
Because it is a popular event, the lines might be a little bit long, but it's really fun. That's the reason why it's so popular is because HHN it's such a good event.
So popular.
Yeah. But yeah, it's hard to compare this to other years. I think HHN just always, whatever they do, whatever houses, bigger and better, they just always do a stellar job. The quality of the mazes and houses are always really great. The scare actors are fire. So anyway, hopefully we'll be back here with another HHN video soon. But for now, stay safe out there, stay awesome and spooky. And perhaps sometime we will see you at Halloween Horror Nights 2024. Have a great and spooky day, everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!